we're looking at a decorative and appealing early 18th century map of the Netherlands and the United Provinces, the Low Countries. It's done 1702, approximately, Paris by Delisle. There's a large decorative title cartouche at top left with Neptune and Apollo and gargoyle type caryatid figures, as well as cherubs at the bottom and a sea monster head right there, another little sea monster here. The engraving displays the original hand color in outline, like so. The map has at the top a damp stain which has been backed with paper up here, which I will turn the map over now to show. There's also a very small little tear right down here at the centerfold, which will be essentially all but invisible if the map were framed. When the sheet is turned over, we can see here at the top this old paper repair, like so, to that. And down at the bottom, there is no piece of paper. It's just the two sides of the tear have been joined, like so. The map displays still quite well. It's a very attractive map, and it is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.